At this point here I should have changed the bandsaw blade down really to one that's only 1/4 inch wide instead of the 3/4 inch. It would have been a lot easier to cut these curves, but I only had 2 to do, so I did it badly instead. So here I've used the timber to mark with the total width of the timber as it's going to be joined, and then I'm roughly marking a centre line, mostly by eye, just so that I've got a line to put where I want to put my screws. These marks are for the screw holes. I'm going to drill pilot holes and I'm going to countersink them so that the screws are nice and flush and aren't going to catch anywhere. Okay, so I've done a rough assembly, except for this piece here which is going to be pinned on. Just wanted to check it all fit together okay. Now I've got some lipping and things that I need to remove, and obviously it needs sanding, getting rid of any pencil marks, anything else. And now that I know it goes together, I'm going to take it all to bits again. Okay, so I want to mark where this is going to go. Being a bit lazy, take that, take my Kuridashi knife, and I'll do the same the other end. I've glued and pinned the front on with my low powered electric nail gun. It doesn't fire all the way through because this is a hardwood, this is ash. So I'm just going to take my punch and a hammer. I'm going to recess them. As this is a kid's bookshelf, you don't want anything nasty catching on there. I'm going to round these edges off in a little bit with the sander. Here's the finished product. as you can see, I slightly changed the design. The lower rail I did finally put in, but I put it a lot shorter so that the books wouldn't slide out the bottom. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. Thanks for watching.